Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Welcome back to the It Life, and here's another speed cleaning, but this time of my disaster of a fridge. I like to clean it out every few months because I tend to keep things and then they get pushed back to the end of the fridge and then they get expired and then you got a shitload of things to throw out. So I like to organize it and it just creates more space and you can find things a whole lot easier. So here we go. Okay, now that the fridge is empty, it's time for a wipe down. So the first time around, I just used a damp cloth, and then soon after, I will be using a disinfectant wipe. Time to put everything back, and hopefully a lot neater this time. Not like it'll stay like that for long. There's nothing like a clean fridge. Yeah, I just sounded like a total mom. Oh my god, what's happening to me? Anyway, here's the finished product. Hope you enjoyed the video and try not to get too excited. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, can't forget about the outside of the fridge, since it's covered in fingerprints 24/7 from the kids, and a little bit for myself, I guess. I just use your basic stainless steel wipe, and it works good, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, and hopefully this inspired you to clean your shit too. guy? Let's cue the music.
Yeah, no, no, no.